People with mild to moderate hearing loss will now have an easier time finding help. The FDA putting a rule into effect this week that makes some hearing aids available over the counter without a prescription or doctor's visit. News 12 Connecticut, Sean McCabe has more.
Fundamentally, it's a hearing aid. It has a receiver that hears the volume, and it has a speaker that amplifies the volume.
Yale medicine otologist Dr. Douglas Hildrew says unlike medical-grade hearing aids, the over-the-counter versions won't be tailored to your hearing. But he says they can cost up to 90% less out of pocket.
It might be very challenging to afford something like $2,000 to $7,000 out of pocket for a medical-grade hearing aid.
I've had hearing aids for probably 9 years, 10 years.
Peter Levy says even mild to moderate hearing loss can have a serious impact on your job and career.
When I go to work in the city or I'm at a conference, I have to have my hearing aids in. And even then, it's a challenge. But it at least equips me with a tool.
He says hearing aids made a huge difference in his life, and he's happy to hear the price barrier is getting lower for others.
I think it's going to allow people that were formerly prevented from accessing this technology and this benefit from being able to use it and benefit from it.
Dr. Hildrew says OTC hearing aids don't come with professional medical help, and you need to be careful not to hurt your ears.
There is definitely the risk of turning up the volume too loud with the over-the-counter hearing devices, and no one would really know except you.
But he says the new options will make things a lot clearer for a lot of Connecticut patients.
For a lot of people, it's really going to make the difference because they just are priced out of the medical-grade hearing aid option or don't have insurance coverage.
Sean McCabe, News 12, Connecticut.
And doctors say your hearing aids should never be turned up so high they cause discomfort or any additional ringing in your ears.